In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to dropship from Alibaba to Shopee. We'll move from setup to fulfillment, keeping everything simple, clear, and practical so you can start confidently. First, create your accounts. Head to Alibaba.com and sign up for a buyer account, then go to Shopee.com or your local Shopee site and create a seller account. Complete any required verification so payments and shipping details work smoothly. For convenience, download the Alibaba app and the Shopee Seller Center app so you can manage sourcing and orders on the go. Turn on notifications to avoid missing messages or order updates. Next, choose a product on Alibaba. Search for items that are lightweight and easy to ship, since heavy or bulky products can erode your margins. Filter for suppliers with ratings of 4.5 stars and up, and look for a small minimum order quantity so you're not forced into large purchases. Check processing times, read recent reviews, and confirm they can ship to your target market. Before moving forward, send the supplier a message asking if they allow dropshipping. It helps to confirm whether they can ship without logos or promotional inserts and whether they can provide neutral packaging. Now collect product details. Save the images, descriptions, and specifications from the Alibaba listing so you're ready to build your Shopee page. Make sure to remove any Alibaba logos or watermarks before you upload. While you're at it, refine the description so it's clear, accurate, and easy for buyers to understand, and double-check dimensions and weight for correct shipping calculations. Then list the product on Shopee. Go to your Shopee Seller Center, click Add New Product, upload the images, and fill in the title, description, price, and shipping weight. Set a price that covers your Alibaba cost, shipping, and your profit margin, and remember to factor in platform fees and potential promo discounts. Choose the most relevant category and enable the right shipping options for your region. When you get an order on Shopee, go to Alibaba and purchase the same item from your chosen supplier. Enter your customer's shipping address from Shopee as the delivery address on Alibaba, then confirm and pay. Double-check the variant, color, and quantity to match the customer's selection, and add a note asking the supplier to exclude invoices or promotional materials. Track and update shipping. Ask the supplier for the tracking number and update your Shopee order so the buyer can monitor delivery. Keep an eye on transit progress and proactively message the customer if delays occur. Finally, keep communicating with your supplier for shipping updates, stock availability, and potential bulk discounts as you grow. And that's how you dropship from Alibaba to Shopee, end to end.